bring me extra.
Oh,
It's high up there.
oh, I think we might have us one.
Two different ones. A Kona and a Hyundai.
Where the hell are that?
Oh shit, they're both good.
Oh, where's it at?
The Kona's right here. We just passed it.
Where do you see the Kona?
You see that black Kona right here? Behind you, back there, back here.
Oh, yeah.
That black Kona, and then the Hyundai is all the way over there somewhere. It's a white one.
Well, you want the Kona? Give me the VIN.
Look at the Hyundai right there.
Give me the VIN. Hey, 531. Let's do that. Yeah, boy. E-brakes off. Damn.
I think I picked this one.
Are you back?
Damn. Would have been easier to get another way.
Dude, I want his keys so we could.
Check out that other one.
Yeah. We should sit right here so they come out and get the keys. I'm not even kidding, bro.
You want to do that? We'll do that.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's try to get the keys.
We're going to ride on the other side.
Hopefully they come out and they'll be like, oh, give us the keys, get your stuff. And we'll get that other car.
I've grabbed this car before. Out of International.
We got us another one. Woo, woo.
I remember those little freaking shitty red badges that he's got all over it.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna strap this bad boy real quick. Hopefully the debtor comes out because there's another one here in the parking lot we'd like to get. Get them badass straps, BA straps. Woo, woo. Get them badass straps, BA straps. Woo, woo. Taking our time, hoping the debtor comes out. I'm strapping on one hand, hold my camera on my phone.
Not hard, huh? And then just slide it in the hole. That's it. It stays in there.
All right, we should break into it, see where it works. I bet it works here.